The way that I use it, and I've always used it, is a lot of people don't know you can do this. So if I click back on here and go to load pattern, it actually comes with a load of pre-made patterns. So what you can do is you can click in here, and these are all different patterns that are already kind of made. So then if I play this now, this is going to trigger that pattern. So that's quite a mean bass line. And then what I can do is change the key of the bass to whatever I want, or the pattern. And then what I can do is play around with all of these knobs, and I can, or the waveform, and I can do exactly the same what I did with the pattern that I wrote. Now, obviously, a lot of these patterns people are going to use because they're available to everyone. But what I tend to do is find one that I like as a starting point, and I'll show you what I do with it. Okay, so let's see if we can find something better. Bear with me 1 second. So I go into here. Yeah, let's have see, they've got some famous patterns actually. Just while I'm here, I can just show you that, such as Voodoo Ray, which obviously I'm not going to use. So yeah, if you're not familiar with Voodoo Ray, check it out, because that is a legendary track by a guy called Gerald. That's amazing. Right, so let's try in... Oh, this is the problem, you see. Right, let's go in here. Let's try the techno one. Let's see what we've got. Okay, so that's quite cool. So if I play that with the drum loop. Okay, so I've got a pattern that's already a pre-programmed pattern. Not ideal, because obviously other people will have used that pattern, etc. But what I can do is, it's got a great randomizer on this, and what that does is that will randomize the pattern. So if I click that, you can click alter as well, which will alter around with the notes. Click random again. So this is the thing, is it is a little bit fiddly, and it is a little bit time consuming. But if you want to get something original, like say if we go on here. Right, there we go. So I like that instantly. So this is now my own pattern, because it's randomized it. So let's play around with this now. That's a nice groove. So what I can do is actually record the automation off this. So there we go. So we've got a very basic pattern, and as I've shown you, you can automate it. There we go. That'll make a little bit more sense now. There we go. Right, so as you can see, you can automate it. I've created the main bulk of a track there.